How to change the language in TurboTax. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website, sign in to your account, and from the left side panel, you want to click on Cambiar a Español to change the language to Spanish, or Cambiar a Inglés to change it back to English, and then you can basically confirm to change the language. And to use TurboTax in French or English for Canada, you want to basically sign out of the current website and make sure to go to the proper one in a new tab. You want to basically go to turbotax.ca for Canada, and once you press enter, this redirects you to the version that has the French language for Canada. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.